Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 29th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, on Friday, we saw a bit of a mixed close for stocks, but overall, a very bullish week. On Friday, the Dow finished down lower by 2.5 points on Friday. S&P was up less than 1 point, while the Nasdaq was unchanged, and the Russell was lower by 1 point. But if we go back to these charts and just have a look at the weekly time frame, you'll see just a nice rebound here, especially after the prior weekend, all the way back to that 20-period moving average and bouncing. This little red tick here, that's the futures market right now, slightly higher than where we finished last week. S&P also a nice rebound, as is Nasdaq here, and we're at new highs. So no resistance up ahead here. The Russell also making up some ground last week, but sitting pretty much right at that 20-period moving average. Now, let's look at bonds. Last week closing slightly higher, up 21 cents. And if you can recall, we have been looking at this multi-day inside bar formation. And although we popped above that high intraday throughout Friday's session, we did not close there, and that's what's important. So let's see, let's see if we can move above that tomorrow and continue higher for bonds. Now, gold looks interesting. Gold had a strong day on Friday, gapping up and closing higher by about 15 points. And if we zoom in here and take our fib extension tool, this most recent low to high here, you can see that we have some upside targets here, 1274 or so. We'll call it 1275 for the 1272 extension. And that 1618 comes in right around 1290. I'm going to call it 1295, right at these previous highs here. That's where I think gold is going near term, 1295. Beyond that, we're up over 1330, which is also a level we talked about a little while ago. So gold seems to be on its way. Now, this week we have a pretty heavy week data-wise. On Tuesday, we have a consumer confidence number out. Wednesday, MBA mortgage apps, Redbook, Chicago PMI, pending home sales, and motor vehicle sales report. A lot of news on Wednesday. Thursday, chain store sales, jobless claims, the ADP employment report, and construction spending. And on Friday, the all-important employment situation report and the Baker Hughes rig count. We'll have all of that for you as we progress through the week, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you on our next update.